Hi, this is Kirk Davis, Executive Director of CAMPS, and I'm here with Dan, Parker, and Ryan. We just got done with our first ERP working group, and I thought it was so good. Dan, the way that you ran it, how you organized everything, it was purposeful and instructive. I learned a lot. So Dan, what were your thoughts after getting done with this first?
I think that the group was very interactive, which was the goal, and there were people in the meeting that were willing to share their ideas, and I think their objectives were aligned, which is they want to improve their performance, and I believe people walked away with some ideas and they learned some things that they can take back to their manufacturing environment and improve their systems and maybe have a better idea of how to evaluate their current systems.
Yeah, Parker, but I mean, this was kind of new information for me because I don't dive deep into ERP issues, but what were your thoughts?
Yeah, it was definitely new for me as well. I don't know a ton about ERP, so I think this session provided a really good balance between like giving you the fundamentals, so I learned a lot, and then the people who already kind of knew what they were using in their within their company. It was a great opportunity for them to talk to each other and find other people who use the same ERPs and ask questions and find best practices. So it was really cool.
I agree with you. And why you do this every day almost? But what were your thoughts?
Almost.
Yeah.
I thought it's great that people get to come here and say, hey, this is what I'm using. I'm thinking about looking to use the system more, or perhaps I'm looking for a different system, and be able to voice kind of what issues they're, what focus they're looking at, especially steering them towards, do you need the whole thing, or do you just need a portion of something just to get started? The worst thing you want to do is kind of buy more than you need and put yourself in a hole, so to speak.
Yeah. I so agree with what everybody said here. And as I talk with more and more manufacturers, ERP is a pain point for a lot of manufacturers. Somebody brought up in our discussion today that maybe we only tend to really use about 30% of its true capability. And so, Dan, I thought you gave some really good ideas for how we could take advantage of more of those capabilities. So I just wanted to recommend everybody to come and join this group. And I think you're going to find great things, just like Why and Parker are saying. Dan, give you the last word here.
We're here to help. So CAMPS members, if you want to learn more about how to evaluate your ERP and improve the profitability in your manufacturing company, you're welcome aboard. It's 1 hour the first Tuesday of every month, and come on board.
Come on board. I think you'll really appreciate it. Thanks, everybody.